In today's video, I'll show you how to change your name in Miro quickly and easily. Whether you've recently updated your name or just want to refresh your profile, this process takes only a minute. Start by opening Miro and logging into your account. Once you're on your dashboard, look at the top right corner of your screen. You'll see your profile avatar, the small circular icon that represents your account. Click on it to open a drop-down menu and select Settings. Inside your settings, you'll land on the profile page. Here you'll see your personal details, including your first and last name. Click inside those fields and type your new name exactly as you'd like it to appear. Double check for any spelling errors. Accuracy here matters. If you're finding this tutorial helpful so far, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more quick Miro tips. Now, once you've entered your updated name, Miro automatically saves your changes. No need to press any save button. You'll notice a small green check mark appear. That's your confirmation that the update was successful. If you don't see the change right away, simply refresh your browser. Sometimes updates need a quick refresh to show correctly. And that's it. You've successfully changed your name in Miro, keeping your profile up to date and professional. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next guide.